Okay guys, so we barely made it on time this morning. Danny told us that he got black flag for noise. We were able to secure first place even though we've never been to Sonoma before. Alright, we made it. What's up guys? So today we got a very cool episode. It's a part for the Supra that you guys have been waiting on for a few months. We've been telling some of our local guys with the upgrades and the pures to wait on port injection. So all your guys' patience to not do the port yet is about to be rewarded. So let's go on inside. We're at VF Engineering here in Anaheim. Sergio's already here. I think they've got the piece on the car, so let's go check it out. Oh my god, that's Supra Surge right there. Those are Supra Surge's feet. They're going to take the diffuser off the car so that we can dyno it, but let's see what it looks like in the engine bay. There it is, guys. This is finally the prototype piece, the first piece from CSF, VF Engineering, and Custom Plenum Creations for the Supra Mark V intake manifold. So not only is it going to give increased cooling, but look how amazing this looks with all the welds. It's CNC machined, billet aluminum, super high quality. So let's see how this goes. The guys from Moto IQ are also here. That way we can actually see the temperatures, the boosts, measure as much data as possible while it's on the dyno. And then this weekend, in 2 days actually, which I'm kind of nervous about, we have TRD Series on Saturday and then Beamer Challenge on Sunday. So we got a double header plus a brand new piece that's on the car that hasn't been tested yet, but you know, no worries about that because it's going to be on the dyno today, and at least we have 1 day to see if anything goes wrong. But it's been here, the guys at VF have been working their magic for at least 2 weeks on the car, so I don't expect any issues, but let's take a look at the dyno once it gets on there. We did the first couple of pulls, and Mike and Martin from Moto IQ are timing it so that way all the heat cycles are at a periodic rate. So we'll do a pull, cool down time, pull, cool down time, pull, cool down time, back to back to back. And then that way you get the same exact amount of variable in temperature and cool down between each pull. So we're going to do another set right now. Stay tuned. So the dyno sessions are complete, and they just finished the official filming for their segments for the actual release of the manifold. So I think the results were good. We're going to continue our vlog from this day, and then obviously we have our double header this weekend for TRD Series on Saturday, and then Beamer Challenge on Sunday. I think Mike is going to wrap up the car, get it ready, and then I get to take it home today. So let's see if I feel any difference. Looking forward to it. Oh hey, didn't see you guys. All right guys, we're back. So it's Friday now. We were here yesterday showing you guys the first test with Moto IQ and CSF here at VF Engineering for the manifold, and now it's the next day, afternoon, it's 2 o'clock. So we had a little bit of a change in schedule. So the guys at Moto IQ wanted to test the stock manifold, but in order to put the probes into the manifold to gather all the data for the data logging, you have to tap the plastic manifold. And then one of the taps was too close to the edge, so it wasn't holding enough for it to be safe. And it was past the cooler, the internal cooler of the manifold, so if it got sucked in, it would have gone straight into my engine. So not a good thing, but plans changed. VF has an extra stock manifold that they used for their design while they were engineering the billet manifold. So they threw that on this morning. Moto IQ came back and did the tests on the stock manifold. So again, if you guys want to see the actual results and all the numbers and the data from that, check out Moto IQ or CSF's main video talking about all that in the link in the description. But yeah, we're here now, picking up the car. Mike just finished doing the bleeding procedure. We're going to rush to the tire shop, get my new CR1s mounted and balanced, and then put the diffuser back on since we had to take it off of the dyno. Oil change, and then make sure it's good for tomorrow. Oh, hey, didn't see you guys there. Oh, I forgot to plug that bitch back in.
Yeah, about that.
Are you recording this? Shit.
Oh shit. It's like in the middle.
Damn. So did the tape thing work? That's what I'm concerned about. Maybe that's what fucked up your like the airflow. Woo. Last session of the day, guys. We were able to pull off